shaped by the creativity. Jason also continues to be by the way.
Take on all the bacteria in the air and all the yeast in the air.
Is there somebody in the yard? Did you see a rabbit?
Through the mammal lactation and into
Another dog in our yard.
the cheese so that we can.
Now you want to go on the deck? You want to go on the deck? Huh? You want to go on the deck? Ow! 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 What do you want?
And billions of blissful cheeseburgers.